guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this lovely Honda CB1000R Plus. This one's a 2020 on a 20 plate, done 5,358 miles. They're a lovely bike of these. So this one is the Plus model, so you get this sort of aluminium little front screen and the little aluminium parts on the mudguard there. You get a quick shifter and an auto blipper with being a Plus, and you get some factory fitted heater grips and also the seat cowl as well. This one's in a lovely colour combination. It's a matte white with a sort of silver going through it as a decal, and it looks really nice, as it's gorgeous. So with these, well, this one in particular, you get the Scorpion exhaust, as you can see there. You get a single-sided swing arm, you get LED lights, you get daytime running lights in the indicators, you get a digital display, you've got a gear indicator, you've got a fuel gauge, you get different power modes, you've got adjustable traction, adjustable engine braking, and there your power modes there. And this one's got some mirror adjusters there as well, so they are a little bit higher. Like I say, it's got that Scorpion exhaust. It's got a radiator guard, it's got the hand guards as well, just to keep your hands extra toasty warm. And like I said, it's got the mirror risers on there. Anyway, they're a fantastic bike, they're a hell of a lot of bike for the money. This one's in a lovely colour combination, and if you do want to get it bought, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, let's give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.